How to use Beanvest app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most people think Beanvest is just a robo-advisor, but the surprising truth is beginners often make mistakes that reduce returns or slow progress toward goals. Here's how to use it properly. Beanvest helps users automate investing with portfolios based on risk tolerance. The first mistake is skipping risk assessment. Choosing an inappropriate risk level can either expose you to excessive volatility or limit growth potential. Be honest about your comfort with market swings. The second mistake is neglecting automated contributions. Consistency is key. Regular deposits, even small ones, compound over time and accelerate wealth building. Another common error is ignoring diversification. Beanvest spreads investments across its stocks and bonds. Overconcentration in one asset reduces stability and growth potential. Beginners also overlook performance reports. Beanvest offers analytics and progress tracking. Ignoring these prevents timely adjustments that could improve returns. Finally, some users fail to review goals periodically. Life changes, market shifts, and financial priorities evolve. Updating goals ensures your investments stay aligned with current objectives. Used correctly, Beanvest is more than a robo-advisor. It's a disciplined wealth-building tool. Assess your risk, automate contributions, diversify, monitor performance, and review goals regularly. Avoiding these mistakes ensures smarter investing and steady financial growth.